Hi guys, Nick Mower here today from Work Supply Company. Today I have for you a 2020 Kubota B2601 with the LA 435 Swiss Tach loader in the RCK 60-32 60-inch belly mower deck. This tractor even has a very hard to find set of tires right now. These are the new Kubota R14T tires. Rear's 12/16.5s. Fronts are going to be the 23 by 8.5 by 12s. This does have on it a soft cab. From cabs.com, I believe it is. Did install this for the customer. Has the electric heater in it. There's only 107 hours on this tractor. We've just done a complete full service. It is ready to go to work, and this tractor will have full warranty. Its purchase date 5/15 of 20. We'll have full warranty until bumper to bumper, I should say, 5/15 of 2022, which would be May 15th, so it's under full warranty yet. And then it will have powertrain warranty, engine, transmission, hydraulics, until 5/15 of 2026. So you're buying a tractor that has warranty. Here it is. We're going to start here under the hood. And tractor's going to be powered by a 3-cylinder non-emissions diesel engine. Starts and runs excellent. There's no abnormal noise, smoke, blow by, anything of that nature. This is a relay and stuff for the little heater box up there. That cab's easily removable. This tractor, again, we've done a complete and full service so that we knew it was ready to go to work. Again, the R14 tires, smooth edge bucket, LA 435 attached loader, 60-inch belly mower deck. It's hard to say much about a tractor that's got 107 hours on a 2020. But it did have a light bar up top here, LED light bars on it. And it does have this little cab, which is actually a nice shape. It easily removes. It does use some factory mounting holes you can just unbolt and take off. Still has the folding roll bar. Category 1 3-point hitch. Top link is with it, toolbox, SMV. There is an auxiliary light here on the back. So the guy had the tractor really loaded up. I'll let this open for you, Matthew, and I'll come around to this side. So your 01 series tractor, a lot like your 2650s. You know, your 2650B series tractors are completely the high-end tractor. It's going to have the more deluxe seat. Still going to share though the low, medium, and high transmission. Still going to share the tilt wheel. There's just some creature comforts on the 50 series. It's not on these. But the 01's a very popular tractor, extremely popular. 23 horse and a 26 horse. If you're going to buy one, prefer to buy the 26 horse. It's always better to have a little power. 107 hours, and again, just a nice little tractor, rear view mirror. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to fire this tractor up. We're going to run around. Make sure it does everything it's supposed to do. Here we go. nice running working little tractor. You can definitely put in it, weight bar. It has a lot of extras. There's a lot of stuff on there that just put on the tractor. 107 hours, under full warranty. Tractor has powertrain warranty until 2026. So here's a tractor, just like anything else, you can't find them because of motor shortages. Here's a tractor you can take a look at. 814-658-3066. Please check out our website, www.marketsupplyco.com. See us on Tractor House Machinery Trader. And as always, thank you very much for checking out our website. We're always here to help. If you need a freight quote or anything, just let us know. Again, I'm Nick Mower, 814-658-3066. As always, thank you for checking us out.